Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to manage your privacy settings in Claude AI. So first of all, come here on Claude.ai, then sign in into your account if you haven't already. Now over here, hover over to the top left hand corner of the screen, then click on your name's initials here in the bottom left hand corner. Now when you click on it, you are going to see these types of options. So among these, simply click on the option of settings. Inside the settings of your Claude account, you need to click on the option of privacy. Now, privacy is the section where you can manage several types of privacy related options for your Claude account. For example, you can just simply scroll down a bit and here click on the option of manage right next to the shared chats. So here you can basically take a look at all of the chats that you have shared with someone. You can also click on the option of delete if you want to unshare this particular chat. You can also use the incognito chats when you don't want the conversation saved to your regular chat history or Claude's memory. Now, if you just go back in the privacy section itself, the very first option would be of export data. So with the help of it, you can request a copy of your account's information and the conversation history. So Claude is going to send the download link to your connected email address once it is exported ready. So here you can click on the option of export the data and you are going to get it. So that's how you can basically manage your privacy settings in Claude AI. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.